it's Julie Davison from juliedavison.com. Today I have a very quick project to share with you for this week's Project Playback episode. I'm going to show you how to make this super quick and easy little Easter basket or spring basket favor box. If you're looking for something last minute to put on your Easter table, this project is super easy and you can use whatever you have at home to make it. The project in the video is going to be a little bit different, but the measurements and everything are exactly the same. So I hope that you'll give this project a try at home. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future paper crafting videos. So this is a really simple like little Easter basket, like treat box that you could make. So this would work for Easter, it would work for like May Day, or just like a fun spring table decoration. So you're going to use a piece of cardstock that is 6 by 6. And then you're going to do some scoring. I've done it ahead of time, so I'm just going to tell you what I did. So you're going to score at 2 inches and 4 inches, and then you're going to turn the cardstock and score 2 inches and 4 inches again. So what you get is a grid then with 9 2-inch squares. So if you have 12 by 12 cardstock, you would be able to get 4 of these baskets from one piece of cardstock. And if you don't, then you get one from a sheet of 8.5 by 11. Okay, so that is going to be the base of our basket. And then I also have a piece that is 1/2 inch by 11 inches. And this is going to be the handle for our basket. So to make this basket, we're going to cut now on these score lines. I'm going to cut up from the edge to the perpendicular score line, and I'm going to do this on opposite sides. So I did it on this side, I'm going to turn it and then do it on this side. All the way up like this. Okay, so then our basket is going to fold up like this on the side. So easy. And before we glue that basket up, we're going to use a piece of designer paper to decorate the outside. So I have 4 pieces of designer paper that are 1 3/4 inches by 1 3/4 inches. And I chose the Ornate Garden Ribbon or designer paper. This is from the annual catalog and will be retiring soon. So we know that. This was the early release last year. Last spring, we were able to order this paper and this suite early. And this paper, I feel like I had so much of it last spring, used it all the time. And then I just kind of put it away and I haven't used it in a while. So I think this is a fun one to bring out again as that annual catalog is winding down. Really pretty. Okay, so I'm going to use some tear and tape. You could use liquid adhesive too. I just find like, Mom, you use it all the time, but I don't know. I don't use the liquid adhesive as much. And I think it's just because I always make a mess and I get it all over my hands. Okay, so the last time I did this, I used a stapler, but we don't have a stapler anymore. So I'm going to do a little piece of tear and tape. I feel like there might be an easier way to put this together, but we're going to figure it out. I'm going to use a piece of tear and tape here, and then we're going to cover that up with these pieces. Now, I feel like I've used glue dots in the past, but I want to make sure this stays pretty good. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a piece of the tear and tape all the way across this square. So over the handle like this, and then we're going to do that and come over, and maybe I'll do, because it overlaps, I'm going to do 1 glue dot on the corner, and yeah, like that. And so the bottom of the handle gets covered. We're going to do the same thing on this side. I started with the handle, and let's just try to do this across about like a 1/2 inch down. We'll add, we'll add the handle, and then we're gonna add the side and a glue dot on the corner. Yeah, Okay. Oh my gosh. Isn't this just so cute? It's so easy.
I haven't made this in a long time.
I know, right? I love bringing back projects that we used to do all the time. Well, Mom's got a great stash of Easter candy, so I stole some. Honestly, I've been stealing it all day long and eating it. A couple pieces here and a couple pieces there, and so
Just taking it from your own kids.
There's so much candy back there. She's so good. She makes up little treat bags for all of her club members, and so they've been picking up their orders today, and she has this huge bag of candy for each of them. Yeah, why don't you grab one? She made these really cute tags to go with it too. So you can put some candy in here. What else do you put in an Easter bag? A basket. Candy's it, right?
It's all about.
So this is 6 little fun pieces. That actually fits really well. You could also put like a little gift in there or Easter eggs or something like that. Let's make a little tag though to go with it. Because I feel like that would finish it off really nicely. So I chose this stamp set, Fancy Phrases. This is from the annual catalog, and I just thought that honestly, I was looking for a sentiment that was like for a gift tag, and this has a little something for you. And so then I thought that the flower went with the designer paper. So that's how I landed on Fancy Phrases. So I'm using 2 colors. I'm using Petal Pink and Terracotta Tile to kind of go with the paper. Now, Terracotta Tile is one of those retiring in colors. So this is our trifecta of in colors that we've used tonight. Make sure you order your in colors. You'll be so sad if they sell out and you don't get any. So Terracotta Tile is the same color as the Cardstock. Really, really pretty. It's like a darker coral than Calypso Coral. And Calypso Coral and Petal Pink and Terracotta Tile are really pretty as like an ombre, combo. I'm going to use the 2-inch circle punch to punch this tag. And then I want to tie the tag on with a piece of twine. So I'm using the Label Me Fancy punch, which has like the ribbon slit and then the hole. And I'm going to use that to create a hole at the top of the tag. And then we could not find Mom's snail mail twine. I was going to use some Whisper White twine, but instead I'm just going to use this gold cord. This is part of another ribbon combo pack. I don't remember which one. And then I also have the Ornate Garden ribbon pack, which coordinates with the designer paper. So I'm going to do a green bow, and then we're going to tie the tag on with the twine. So let's do. I do bunny ears when I make my bows, and then just straighten out the tag like that. Trim that down. Oh my gosh, love this, love it. And let's put this together now. So we're gonna do the twine through. Now, one thing about this twine, oh gosh, I'm making a mess. It frays a lot on the end. So you can, if you don't want it to fray like that, you can tie a knot at the end to prevent it from fraying like all the way up. So that's just a little tip with this crazy twine, is to tie a knot and stop that fray from happening. Okay. So I'm gonna do this like on the side. I'm gonna pull these together and tie a knot like that, and then tie it. Gosh, I feel like we struggled with the and then the green bow at the top. So the glue dots right here. It didn't even go on there. Push. And I'm gonna kind of like cover up the hole. Isn't that cute? a little something for you. Okay, that's it for today. I'm so glad that you were able to join me for this project Playback. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time with another Project Playback.